Today, I'll show how to buy shares of 29Metals Ltd, a metals mining and processing company listed on CBOE AUS under the ticker 29M.ASX. This is an educational guide only and not financial advice. Always research and consider risks before investing. To trade, you need a broker. I'll use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you'll verify your account, usually with an identity document, and you must add funds before placing a buy order. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker 29M.ASX to locate the listing. Make sure you select 29Metals Ltd on CBOE AUS to confirm it's the correct stock. Open the asset page to review basic company information and the price chart. Double-check the page shows 29Metals Ltd and 29M.ASX before proceeding. To buy, click Invest, enter the amount you want, review the order details, and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, your order may execute when it reopens. And if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirmation. Your new position will appear in your portfolio once the trade is executed. Find the eToro link in the description to get started or to learn more about the platform.